Hey guys, what is going on? Today I've got the unboxing for the Doogee Y8. So I've ordered this phone in January and it just now arrived. But what are we gonna do? That's how pre-sale items work. And I'm using this microphone because there's a lot of background noise coming from the living room. So this is an attempt to reduce that. So yeah, let's get right to the unboxing because this is a pretty interesting phone. And I'm gonna explain why. Okay, so this is an infinity, you can say bezel-less, I guess, but it's not really bezel-less. And you're gonna see in a second. So let's look at the specs. We have a decent sized battery, Android 9 Pi. We have a 19.9 aspect ratio, which is interesting. Not the highest megapixels. 3 gigs of RAM, MediaTek 6739. All right. So it didn't come in a plastic, the plastic wrapping. So that's how it came. And this is the phone. And let's see what we get with that phone. Sorry. Okay, so we get a semi-ejector tool. So that points to the fact that the battery might not be removable. A charging brick. This is the first Doogee phone I ever ordered, just so you know. Micro USB, but that's pretty normal, I guess, for the price of this phone. But one day USB Type-C will be the norm. So yeah, we don't get anything else in the box except the user manual. And wow, this phone is heavy. Alright, let's peel the back off first. Okay, so I can't tell if this is plastic or glass, but this does feel, first impressions, this feels really, it feels premium. I'm surprised to say. Let's take this off. So as you can see, we have no top bezel, but we have a chin, which is normal for these budget phones. But this phone feels really nice, and I love the purple and black mix. Like purple and black, these are my two favorite colors. If you ever saw my Note 9, then that's how I theme it then as well. And this phone feels really nice, and you have a fingerprint sensor as well. But it's really heavy. I have no idea why it's heavy. The battery isn't even that big. Alright, so let's power it on. And the screen is 6.1 inches, and you can see that the screen looks pretty good. Yeah, I mean, wow, this phone is beautiful. Like, judging by other reviews, like there aren't much reviews on YouTube, so this is gonna be the first normal review you're gonna see. But damn, that screen looks pretty good, and I am liking this phone. First impressions are nice. I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Okay, so this is the phone. I've used it for a little while, and battery seems solid, pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this is a bit slow and laggy. Oh, actually, now never mind, it's way better. So I just needed to, I guess, get settled and stuff. That's because I just set up this phone and installed a few apps. So yeah, performance is not bad. Definitely not bad. We have 3 gigs of RAM, MediaTek 6739, which is one of their newer chips. Isn't even that new anymore. But yeah, let's go through the settings. We're gonna advanced about phone. As you can see, this is indeed Android 9. And I'm just blown away by the quality of the screen. Like this phone, this looks really good. And it's also big as well, 6.1 inches. That is bigger than the Galaxy. That is as big as the Galaxy S10. The screen right here for $70. Is what I paid for it. All right, so we're gonna start off with some YouTube. We're gonna test the quality of those speakers. All right, let's write something like royalty free. And I didn't write that correctly, of course. Alright, that was pretty loaded pretty fast. Screen full screen. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but just a bit of distortion there, and not really the best speaker. Let's find a video of someone talking. Hold on. Okay, so it's, I mean, not the best and not the worst speaker, but I can definitely live with that if I was on a budget, definitely. Alright, if you've watched my previous videos, I've had issues with the chips that this phone has in the past, but I'm willing to give it another shot. Yeah. Okay, so alright. Okay, so this game runs seamlessly. No need to test further, but yeah. This phone, yeah, it runs good. Not gonna lie. So, I mean, for light gaming, this is definitely gonna be good. Watching videos on it is fine if you can ignore that chin. I mean, on video it may look massive and annoying, but using it in real life, it really doesn't bother you at all, honestly. Alright, so, oh, what's this? We have face unlock. Oh, that's another face. Alright, so we have to confirm the pattern. So right now I'm pretty far away from the phone. Usually the phone would be like more closer to my face. Alright, so let's see if that worked. Alright, unlocked on its own. Now I'm going to do it close up and see if it... Alright, close up it's even faster, and just so you know, this phone does have a fingerprint sensor as well, and it's pretty dug in deep there, so you're not going to miss it. That is what I love about phones, about these kind of phones. It is not flush. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so as soon as you tap it, you feel a little vibration, and then the phone unlocks a split second later. Okay, so while I have my camera set up on a tripod like this, let's try and take a selfie. We're going to test the camera now. Okay, the interface does not look bad. Before we take this selfie, we're just going to go for the settings, see if it's all the highest quality possible. What is scene mode? Okay, scene mode. Okay, let's try this out. Let's put auto. Picture size, 8 megapixels. Alright, now let's try the front, I mean. There's me. Picture, alright, everything. Scene mode for the selfie. Okay, we are definitely gonna try that. Alright, let's try and take this selfie as good as possible. Let me just clean the lens just real quick. Alright. Okay, now let's take some pictures outside. Okay, this is rear-facing video on the Doogee Y8. And visibility on the screen, full sunlight, is pretty good. I can sort of see the screen better than other phones I've tested. And this is full HD, and I think it's good. Tell me, what do you guys think? Okay, this is 720p video on the Doogee Y8 front-facing camera. I'm So yeah, this is how you can see me. A really sunny day, and yeah, I can't tell you right now as I'm filming this how the video is, but I'm sure it is pretty good. We're gonna see. Let me know what you think. All right. So after like 5 minutes or something like that, the score is finally in, 661, which is not bad for this phone. And I'm sure it would have been higher as well if the phone was a bit cooler, but I've been using it in this, and yeah, and see everything normal here. Like really decent specs. I'm gonna screenshot this. I won't do this. Oh wait, what is this? Please click OK. Please click OK. I'm gonna click with my mouse. Yeah. All right. What else we have here? Anything interesting? No app door. Oh, it was no. That's yep. No app door. We have so the skin isn't bad. I wouldn't mind it at all, but I am going to install a GSI on it because this phone does support treble, as you're gonna see right here. Project Treble. This is the drawer speed. I've seen this on apps before. I've seen this on phones before. Drawer speed is okay. So it wants. I'm not gonna allow these apps to run in the background. No. Memory cleanup. No, this is pretty average. I haven't found like. I don't think this phone has gestures like these Chinese phones that run Pi. They're always missing features. I don't know why, but I will install GSI on this. I'm gonna install Pixel Experience on this phone. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. Let's see how the SIM slot is. Alright, pretty standard. Nano SIM, micro SD, which is nice. Now, let's see how much internal storage this phone has anyway. Okay, so this phone has 16 gigs of internal storage, which is not a big deal. It would have been nice if it had 32 gigs, but you can expand your storage with a micro SD card, which is nice. So, and after all, this is a budget phone. So I am really impressed with this phone. I love it to death so far. I just love this phone. I don't know why. I love the color. I love the screen. I love the fact that you can get this much phone for this little money. Yeah, and this does it's pretty snappy, I guess, for the price. Like I've had bad experiences with the MediaTek 6739 in the past, but this runs pretty well, I gotta say. So yeah, I love the screen, love what it offers, and I will definitely be switching to this phone. I'm gonna be using it probably with Pixel Experience, something like that, and sometime in the near future. So again, if you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, let me know as well. I will answer every question. This is a phone I'm going to keep for a while, most likely. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.